something that you need to watch out for, no matter who does your foundation repair. You just want to make sure that you bring this up in the conversation to make sure that they're taking care of your best interest or looking out for your best interest. One thing that we see happen quite often is you have a home here which all the electrical is on this side of the home. You have your electrical panels. Well, you have your main, this is your main line that comes into your home, your main electrical line, okay? If they have to lift this side of the home and they don't dig out this electrical line, there's a high chance they're gonna snap your wires off from your meter. And that's gonna cost a lot of money to get fixed. So one of the things that we do to protect that is if we're lifting the side of the home where there's electrical, we'll dig this line out to give it some relief. That way it can all come up instead of breaking it off, instead of breaking the pipe off or pulling the wires out of your meter. So we try to avoid that. So whoever does your foundation work, make sure that they have your best interest in mind and that they're gonna do that so you don't have repairs or money out of your pocket that otherwise could have been avoided.